Hello, and a big welcome to our breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Prime box break number 7. Here's last one up for auction. There's Edmonton. So numbers NE190585-026. That's NE190585-026. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Start with the base card, number 50/299 of Nazem Kadri for the Leafs. Got a Prime Colors patch, 4/25 for the Bruins of David Krejci. Nice hit for Boston. We got a Prime Trios 92/100 of Nail Yakupov, Marco Corbello, and Justin Schultz. Card goes to the Oilers. We got a Primetime Rookie Swatch card, 14/50 of Justin Schultz for the Oilers. And we got this is a dual rookie class, 1/25 Prime of Nathan McKinnon for the Avalanche. Nice hit for Colorado. Got a rookie auto 8/50 Prime version of Corey Conacher for the Senators. And then auto rookie 172/199 of Anton Roussel for the Stars. And then we finish off with the base card 229/299 for the Devils of Martin Brodeur. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.